Welcome class. Today we are going to see lesson number 6 indices of class 7, that is part 2, that is division of indices with the same base. You have already learned about the multiplication of the indices with the same base. Let us revise it and then go for the division of the number. For example, you have a number 2 raised to 7 multiplied by 2 raised to 6. How you write 2 raised to 7 plus 6, that is 2 raised to 13. Second example, if you have 1 upon 2 raised to 2 into 1 upon 2 raised to 5, you will write 1 upon 2 raised to 2 plus 5, that is equal to 1 upon raised to 5, 6, 7. This is the rule for the multiplication. What you have studied that in multiplication, that if a raised to m and a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now today we are going to see about the division of integer with the same base. Now let us start with that. That is 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2 is equal to how much? How you write it? 6 raised to 4 upon 6 raised to 3. 6 how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. Here 6 how many? 2 times. So 6, 1, 2. What's remain? 6 raised to 2. In the same way, you will do another example. Minus 2 raised to 6 divided by minus 2 raised to 4 is equal to how much? Same way you will write minus 2 raised to 6 upon minus 2 raised to 4. How many times here? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. And here how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So you will cut 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. We will cut it as 4. What will be remain? Minus 2 raised to 2. In short, how we will do this? 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2 is equal to 6 raised to 4 minus 2 is equal to 6 raised to 2. Similarly, minus 2, 6 raised to 6 minus 4, that is minus 2 raised to 2. In this way, you will find by using the formula. Now next we will see that. Now see, in your textbook it is given on page number 45. If a is a non-zero rational number, m and n are the positive integer and m is greater than n, then a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus m. Similarly, we will see the problem based on it. Before that, we will go how to solve it. See that the meaning of a raised to 0. If a is not equal to 0, then a raised to m upon a raised to m is equal to 1. That is a raised to m upon a raised to m minus m is equal to a raised to 0, which is equal to 1. So what this tells us that first we will see the meaning of 0. Meaning of a raised to 0. For example, if we have an example, a raised to 5 upon a raised to 5 is equal to a raised to 5 minus 5, that is a raised to 5 minus 5, 0, which is answer is 1. So anything raised to, for example, you have 648 raised to 1, your answer will be 648. So it is that when a number is raised to 0, your answer is always 1. So sorry, I have explained another. So 648 raised to 0, answer is always 1. Now we will see the meaning of a raised to minus m. Now you have a raised to minus m is equal to, you will have here a raised to minus m into 1. How you will write a raised to minus m? This one you will write a raised to m upon a raised to m. This make no difference. This will be cut. It will be 1. So again you will have a raised to minus m plus m upon a raised to m, which is equal to a raised to m 0 upon a raised to m. So you will have here 1 upon a raised to m, which is equal to 1 upon a raised to m, that is a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. It is given in your notebook, in your math textbook, page number 45. Similarly, a raised to minus m is you are writing as 1 upon a raised to m. Therefore, a raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a into 1, 1. So here a raised to minus 1 is a is the multiplicative inverse of a. Thus the multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 3 is 3 upon 5. You will write is at 5 upon 3 raised to minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 5. Means what? That I will show you two example. For example, you have value such that 6 upon 4 raised to minus 8, you will write it as 4 upon 6 raised to 8. Just you will write reciprocal and minus become plus. Similarly, we will solve a problem. I will show you the problem based on it on page number 46. See that 4 upon 7 minus 3, that is 4 upon minus 3 upon 7. Similarly, see you are writing 1 in this way. 4 upon 7 into 4 upon 7 into 4 upon 7, that is 64 upon 343. You are doing this reciprocal and writing here. So 7 upon 4 raised to 3. Hence we get the rule that if a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0 and m is a positive integer, then a upon b raised to minus m is equal to b upon a raised to m. Only you should remember, you should always remember that if a upon b raised to minus m is equal to b upon a raised to m, see that m's only sign is changed, nothing changes there. For example, now they have given you example on page number 46. So this is similarly you will do the page number 46. For example, 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 6, you will write 3 raised to 4 minus, that is minus 2. This answer be 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Similarly, you have 3 upon 5 raised to 2 divided by 3 upon 5 raised to 5. You will write it 2 upon 5, 2 minus 5, which is 2 upon 5 raised to minus 3. You will write this as reciprocal 5 upon 2 raised to 3. So similarly, this will be the only, if you will change it, then it will be the reciprocal of it. Now we will see the next thing, that is see in the textbook, when it is minus 1 raised to, if a is a rational number, a is not equal to 0, m and n are positive integer, then a raised to m upon a raised to n is a minus mn. Let us learn. Observe what happens if the base is minus 1 and index is a whole number. See, here minus 6 is given, a raised to, this is even number, so your answer will be positive. This is odd number, your answer will be negative. See, minus minus plus, minus minus plus minus, so all plus become 1. Minus minus, here minus minus become 1, minus minus, but this one is remaining, so it is a minus 1. Similarly, if m is an even number, then a raised to minus m is 1, and if m is odd number, then a raised to minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So in this way, when for example, I will take another example. If you have minus 1 raised to 9, your answer is 9 is, here 9 is odd number, so your answer will be minus 1. Now if it is minus s raised to 6, or I will take it as 8. Now 8 is even number, 8 is even number, so your answer will be plus 1. So in this way you will remember and write it in your notebook. Now we will go for the practice set 28. Question number 1. 6 divided by a raised to 4. You write similarly, simply like this, a raised to 6 minus 4, that is a raised to 2. It is your answer. So you solve. I will only solve 2 problems. You solve remaining all. M raised to 8, that is a raised to 5 minus 8, that is a raised to 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 3. This will be 1 upon a raised to 3. So all you will solve it. Find the value. Here you should find the value. Find the value means you should find the answer of it. That is, first is minus 7 raised to 12 divided by minus 7 raised to 12. So it will be minus 7. 12 minus 12 is equal to minus 7 raised to 0. 12 minus 12, 0 is answer 1. In this way, you will homework, solve practice set 28 as homework. Remember that you should solve the practice set 28 in your notebook. Thank you, students.